A suit on.
So I feel like you have a lot of good ideas and we should record some of them so that way you can watch it later on and remember your good ideas. If not, you might forget. So what's your newest idea? You were just talking to me about.
I can put a suit on.
About the little animals. What little animals did you want to get?
The Meowses.
The Meowses. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and what were you going to do with them?
Put them in a bigger cage.
Yeah? Yeah? Tell me more.
And they're going to have different spaces where they have little meows pets.
Oh.
But I'm going, if they poop on the bed, I'm going to clean it off.
That's a good idea. You're going to be a very good Meows daddy. Is that it?
I'm going to have, like, super support walls so snakes can't get in.
Smart. Very thoughtful.
Because snakes love the Meowses. Right, Mommy?
That's right, baby.